Hey guys, welcome back to All-in-One. Today we will be learning to make coconut cookies. You will need 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 200 grams of butter, 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of desiccated or dried shredded unsweetened coconut, 1 cup of sugar, and some milk. First, crack in your egg. Now add in your sugar. Melt in your butter before putting it in. Then keep mixing. Add in your flour. Put in 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Now add in your desiccated unsweetened coconut. While you're mixing, be sure to add in some milk, but don't add in too much. Just add as much as you need. Once your mixture is done, make it into little balls and put it onto a pan. Now press onto the little balls. Put it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And there you have it, a delicious treat which you can enjoy with a cup of tea. Have fun baking!